Hi everyone, this is Nancy Goyal, your image coach and soft skills trainer. I welcome you to my channel. I am Impeccable. Today we are going to talk about how to make work from home easier for you. I was going through a study conducted by a research-based innovative venture, Psyche Mind Match, that's recently published in the Economic Times, which says that 99.8% of the workforce in IT sector is incapable of working remotely, and which means that there are hardly 0.2% of the workforce which are the work from home champions, which are highly productive. The numbers are pretty bad. It's very obvious. But why so? Let's talk about it. The day you get to know that finally you don't have to go to office, tackling all the traffic, commuting through subways, metros, sideways, or whatever source you use to commute to your office, it just feels so good and exciting. Maybe relaxing. But does it stay relaxing for long? For one day, yes, it's exciting. For second day, exciting, but not that much. Third day, it's boring. Yeah, we all agree. For fourth day, those walls start coming towards you and it starts feeling claustrophobic. And by the end of the fifth day, you really want to go back to your office. However, there are certain scenarios where you just can't go back to your office. Whether you are a freelancer or a remote worker, or you are into IT domain, struggling with the COVID-19 pandemic at the moment, that is the current situation. There is no provision for you to go back to your office. You have to work remotely. And working remotely is not easy, especially when you know the situation may remain the same for long. It's not easy because your personal life gets mixed up with your professional life, and there are no boundaries to both. In your personal life, this can hamper your relations, while in your professional life, this can hamper your productivity. But what can we do about that? Don't worry, I can give you 3 tips which will help you make your work from home life easier. 1. Set your professional boundaries. You need to have a proper dedicated space where you can sit and work as if you're working from your office. You need to have the proper ambience, office ambience, and you need to replicate the whole scenario in a way so as to ensure that you remain focused. Get organized and have everything that you need in proper place. For example, your laptop, your charger, your cables, your headphones, or whatever gear, your mouse, keypad, whatever. Keep everything in place. Have your peak time and lunch time hours off as you get in your office. Maintain office hours and proper discipline. 2. Set your personal time aside. Don't mix your personal time with your professional time. Keep it separate from your professional hours. Don't end up working all day, all night just because you're working remotely and can be available all day, all night. Keep that spare time for your family, friends, relatives, or your loved ones. If they're not around, make a call or make a video call. Or maybe you can invite your friends or family or relatives or your loved ones for online gaming. Remember, it's about physical distancing, not about social distancing. Third, set your ground rules. You need to clearly communicate your ground rules to the people you're working with and to the people you're staying with. Maintain your morning routine and your discipline. Don't take professional calls during your personal time, and also ensure that nobody is disturbing you over and over again during your professional hours. If you take care of these little things, this will help you maintain a good work-life balance, and it will definitely help you make your work from home easier. And if you still feel issues while working from home, share those issues in the comment section below and we can work out those together. Until then, stay connected and happy working.